MT manager and the NP manager Android 2. So in this video I'm going to show you guys the new method using the MT manager and the NP manager Android 2. So if you are coming across this channel for the first time or you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please kindly click the subscribe button below and also turn on your notification bell so you can get notified anytime we upload new videos. So in this video I'm going to be using the Fixed Draw King betting app of the Fixed Draw King betting app. So now let's go. Now open the app. Go to the menu at the top left corner of this page, of the home page, and you can see the features of this particular app, which is protected by password, so only those that are given access to it can access that page. So in this video we are going to now locate your MT manager app and open it. Go to the menu at the top left corner of your MT manager homepage and click extract APK. After that, select the Fixed Draw King app and click extract APK. Click on locate and then select the Fixed Draw King app and then click on view. On this page, look for the resources.arsa file and click on it. Now select the ARSC editor. After that, click on the search resource value. Yes, this is correct. Click on OK. Now select the Fixed Draw King string charts_accessor file. Click on it and now click on copy ID. Now go back to the extracted file menu and select the classes.dex. Select the DEX editor plus and then click on select all. Then click OK. Select the search from the header menu, click on the search and then click on start a new search. So you can erase this and then paste the ID you've copied to your clipboard. So make sure the search subsidiaries is selected, then after that click on OK. Can see. So here you are going to select the T_chart_contra, select the file. So here select the navigation button at the top of the page. That's it. Select the navigation button and then click on the first file and select find usage. Now select the line under the T_chart_contra file, select the invoke virtual. Now you need to replace this particular line, the move result. So erase this and then replace it with this particular code, CONST/4 space then OX1. So make sure you enter this correctly. After that, you need to save. Click on save. Now go back to the search results page. Go back and click on rebuild APK at the top of the page. Now after this process is completed, click the back button and here you can see the file has been modified. Click OK. Now go back to your MT manager homepage Now select the Fixdraw King app and then click on install. So here click OK to uninstall the previous version and then install the modified version of the app. So now install. So after the installation, you can then proceed to open the Fixdraw app. Now go to the menu at the top left corner of the home page. Now you can select any of the pan. And now finally the picture has been unlocked successfully. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please kindly do so now. Also turn on your notification bell so you can get all our latest updates. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.